Looky looky, I have a pumpkin pattern for you today, and what I decided to do is look at my existing pattern called the braided pumpkins. And so these are a really cool idea, and I used red heart all-in-one granny called Grande and used about a half a ball of that. In this particular design, I used a half a ball of what I just said, and also just a little bit of here of red heart super saver called taupe, and then I just used some colors that were left over in the ball to create the little leaves. This is the largest size pumpkin. I changed the hook size to 4.5 millimeter size G, and because of that it's a little bit smaller than the original, but looks pretty cool as well. And so you can see how it's transitioning on color on its own, just like it's coming out of the ball. So this is actually designed for granny squares, but I thought it'd be kind of cool. I was inspired by Sarah from Repeat Crafter Me. She did something like this with one of her pumpkin designs, and she used the Grande as well, and I really thought it was quite sharp when I looked at it. So this is a really neat pattern. Right now on screen is going to be a video showing you the braided pumpkins, and you can click that and get started on your journey right now. And you can also see the video description, and you can also see more information about the pattern link as well as Sarah's pattern itself if you would like to cross compare.